It is a two-story building, built to be used as a dormitory in a boarding school. A very massive concrete casting structure. So, let's get inside. An air conditioner is installed in each room. Each one is controlled by a MindoLife controller. A motion sensor also. The controller resides in a box near the AC. And there's a switch, an on-off switch on the entry by the door. This room here is the shelter, or basement. It also contains air conditioners. One on the opposite wall, the other near the entrance. The controller resides up here in the floating ceiling. In short, you can see here some very massive concrete castings, whereas the gateway is located at a distance on the floor above. The gateway resides up here inside the rack. Network connectivity is optimal. All rooms are well covered, including the rooms on the second floor. The network maintains an optimal connectivity, solely depending on the mesh network between the existing end devices. There's absolutely no need of any additional range extenders.